this session, we are going to discuss how to calculate national income by income method. National income of a country can be measured by three methods: value added method, income method, expenditure method. All the three methods give the same estimate of national income. So in this session, we will focus on income method. This method measures national income generated from four factors of production: wages, rent, interest, profit in exchange of factor services. What are the steps of calculating national income? First of all, we have to identify producing enterprises. Here, producers employ factors of production: land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. The producer categories are primary sector, which exploits natural resources, mining, agriculture, fishing, etc. Secondary sector, which transforms one commodity into the other, that is clothes produced from cotton. Tertiary sector renders services, example banking, insurance, etc. Now we will classify factor payments. These are classifying as compensation of employees. In short form, you can tell COE. It is total amount of remuneration in cash and kind also. For example, I am the teacher. If I am getting the salary, I am getting in cash. But if I am getting other medical facilities, uniform, housing, then it is wages in kind. Employees' contribution to social security schemes. So if you add all the three items, you get compensation of employees. The second item is operating surplus. It is income from property, rent, royalty, interest, plus income from entrepreneurship. So profit has also got three parts: dividends, corporation tax, and corporate saving. If you add all together, you get profit. And if you add all the four items, you get operating surplus. In short, it is called as OS. Mixed income of self-employed. It means income of own account workers, farmers, doctors, barbers, etc. Unincorporated enterprises, small shopkeepers, repair shops, etc. The third step is calculation of the domestic factor income. If you are going to add all the three items, that is compensation of employees, operating surplus plus mixed income, you are going to get NDP at factor cost, that is net domestic product at factor cost. Now to get national income, that is the fourth step, you are going to add NDP at factor cost plus NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad, and you will get national income. So it is denoted as NNP at factor cost. Now we have to keep in mind some of the precautions. Now following items should be included: interest paid by production unit on capital borrowed, imputed rent of owners occupied houses, free services provided by owner of production unit, that is implicit cost, imputed value of the fixed assets produced for self-consumption by enterprises, government and households, imputed value of free services produced by government and non-profit institutions. Now following items should not be included. First of all, transfer income like unemployment allowance, charity, old age pension, taxes paid by the production units, excise duty, sales tax. Number 2, income from sale of second-hand goods, income from sale of shares and bonds, windfall gains like lotteries, horse race, etc. are not included. Illegal incomes, smuggling, black marketing, etc. also not included. Payments like gift tax, wealth tax also not included. Indirect taxes like GST, such taxes are to be included in national income at market price, but not in national income at factor cost, that is NNP at factor cost. Net domestic product is calculated as follows. So let us discuss one of the numerical. So numerical is being shown: compensation of employees, rent, wages, salaries, net exports. Now first of all, the first step is we should calculate NDP at factor cost by adding compensation of employees, operating surplus plus mixed income, and we will get NDP at factor cost, that is 1400 crores. Now you see in the numerical that Mixed income is not given. Now you will, in place of that, you can put 0. Now you need to calculate national income because in the numerical national income is being asked. So NDP at factor cost plus NFIA, that is 1400 minus 20. The value is given in minus. So you have to deduct and you get rupees 1380 crores. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that always use the, for example, if the value is given in crores or arabs, so this unit you have to keep in mind. Now the next numerical, you see in place of national income, it is given GNP at market price. So what are the steps? The first step is to calculate NDP at factor cost. For that you will add all the three items, 350 plus 220 plus 100 plus 80 plus 150, and you get 900 crores. Then you calculate GNP at factor cost, that is NDP at factor cost plus depreciation plus NFIA plus NIT. What is NIT? Indirect tax minus subsidies. 900 plus 50 plus 10, that, and in brackets you will write 90 minus 20, and you will get rupees 1030 crores. So this is your GNP at market price. Thank you.